Okay, in this video, I'll be showing you guys this brand new AI tool. It is called MiniMax Audio, and what you can do with it is that you can use it to clone anybody's voice. You can do it with as little as 10 seconds of their voice, but the longer audio recording you have, the better result you're gonna get. So first of all, you need to go to their website, which is called minimax.com/audio/voice cloning. There are also a bunch of other tools here, but we're primarily going to be focusing on the voice clone one, as I think it is the most impressive. So you can either go ahead and record the audio directly on the website, or you can have an audio file and go ahead and just drop it in there. So I have a 2-minute recording of my own voice, and we're going to be testing it on that. Okay, so when you go ahead and click on upload, you can go ahead and choose the audio file that you want. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. Then it is going to ask you to log in, and the only way to log in is with a Google account. So you can go ahead and do that. So I just went ahead and logged in, and let's go ahead and exit out of this now. Now I have dropped this one in, so it is currently uploading. Let's go ahead and wait for it to do that. If it does have some background noise, then you can remove that from the audio sample as well. Now we need to name our voice, so I'm just going to go ahead and name this a test. We also need to select the language that we want to be cloning, and as you can see, there are actually a bunch of different languages here, but for me, I'm just going to go ahead and choose English and go ahead and confirm. This is basically just accepting their terms of service, and keep in mind this is actually Chinese AI, so if you have any speculations about maybe the Chinese government spying on you, then maybe don't use this tool, but I personally do not mind it, so I'm just going to go ahead and accept those terms. After that, let's go ahead and click on convert right here. This is going to take a little bit of time, so you can just go ahead and wait while it is cloning the voice. And now we have a clone right here. You can go ahead and take a listen to how it sounds.
Hello, I'm delighted to assist you with our voice services. Choose a voice that resonates with you, and let's begin our creative audio journey together.
So you just heard how the clone voice of my voice sounds, and in my opinion, it is actually pretty good for the amount of audio that you're giving it. In my opinion, it is a bit robotic, so if you listen to it carefully, then you might be able to tell that it's AI, but I still think that it works really, really well. Now, if you want to use it to say whatever you want, then you just go ahead and click on use right here, and here you can start typing. So because we are using AI this much in this video, I just went to ChatGPT and asked it to write a just normal paragraph so I can try my new audio voice, and this is what it gave me. So let's go ahead and copy this and go ahead and paste it into here and see how that sounds. Now all you have to do is just go ahead and click on generate, and then we just go ahead and wait for it to complete. It does give you 10,000 credits, and I think it gives you that every month. So yeah, that should be enough pretty much for most of your use cases. As you can see, for this 20-second clip, it only used around 400 tokens. And now you can go ahead and take a listen to how it was able to generate the audio from the text that I gave it.
Today is a great day to test something new. Whether you're setting up a microphone, trying a new recording app, or just checking the sound quality, it's always smart to start with a short, simple paragraph. This one includes a mix of soft and hard consonants, varied pacing, and a natural rhythm. If everything sounds clear and balanced, you're good to go.
So yeah, again, a bit robotic, but in my opinion, it does really work. And if you aren't really paying attention to the fact that it might be AI, then I'm pretty sure most people would get fooled by this. There are also some different models here, so maybe some of these are better, but yeah, I just tested the default one. You can also go ahead and adjust things such as pitch, speed, and volume, and if you go ahead and remove all the text here, you can see that you can insert this specific line here to be able to add pauses in between the sentences. So yeah, maybe you can use that to make it even more natural. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this new AI that I found, and I think it is really cool because it is completely free and gives you pretty good results. So yeah, if you do want to check it out, go to the link in the description, and yeah, this video is not sponsored. I just thought this was really cool. So yeah, I'll go ahead and see you guys in the next video.